Hi, KC Bariatric friends and family. I'm Dr. Ravi Sabapathy, clinical psychologist here at KC Bariatric, and just want to take an opportunity to wish you all a very happy holiday season. And we wanted to take this time to address a few popular questions that we've seen on our social media page and really identify some ways to maybe prepare and be successful during the holidays. And we know that the holidays can offer challenges as well. So we want to make sure that we honor and respect that for you and your family. The first question we've got, let's go to this one. What to do if your family isn't supportive and you have to go to their house for the holidays? You know, this is an important question. The almost 20 years of doing this important work to me, we've had an opportunity to hear this question because we know that not everybody fully understands or agrees with the decision or the empowering choice of doing bariatric surgery. I think you know it, our patients, they understand the importance of this surgery and this choice. So with that said, when I'm thinking about if someone isn't as supportive, think about what you did as being right for you. The choice of making bariatric surgery, your choice, has been, in my opinion, for many, a valuable and beneficial choice. It's helped change your life and improve your life. So know that you've done the right thing for you. I think that's really, really important that it starts with us first. The second thing I can think about as we prepare for this, and if we're walking into a setting or a family environment, maybe where the people aren't as supportive, is can I plan ahead? Can I think about what I can maybe bring for me and my family? Maybe not just a dish, maybe you want to bring 2 or 3 dishes that really capture the essence as to what you want to be eating or enjoying during the holidays. You know what's interesting, I've learned this over the years, is some of our patients bring some of the best stuff, and it actually becomes a tradition within the future holidays. Some family members, maybe they aren't always as supportive with the concept of bariatric surgery, but they love those fresh sweet potatoes that you brought, or they love the roasted vegetables that you brought. And so think about that as an opportunity. And remember, holidays often have a lot of proteins, and we're often talking about protein first. So think about it from that perspective. The next question is, what can you do if you feel really overwhelmed when you're at a gathering and you can't leave yet? Any techniques to use? What are some things that I can do if I'm in a situation and I don't want to be there anymore? Well, maybe there's still some important things to happen in that event and you need to be there. So one of the things I really encourage is, can you take a moment? Can you take a break? Can you use the restroom or powder room and maybe just take a moment and step away and take a few deep breaths, right? And I think that's a great spot just to have a moment of privacy, maybe your own moment of tranquility. It's also an opportunity, I think, in that moment to really remind yourself that maybe I can't leave yet, but I'll be leaving eventually. Maybe it's also an opportunity to think about what you're going to do later that day for yourself or the next day for yourself to maybe recharge the batteries. I really do understand and hear from many that sometimes gatherings can burn energy and they can be fatiguing and tiring. Not everybody looks at those gatherings the same way. So depending on how you look at it, find an opportunity, take those moments, step away. And also, if you're starting to feel uncomfortable, again, what can you do to feel more comfortable? Take a deep breath, think about something positive, think about what you're going to do later, think about maybe the special event that you want to do that you're going to be involved with in the moments ahead. So think about it from that perspective. And we got another question here. How can you keep a positive outlook during the holidays? You know, we at KC Bariatric want you to love yourself, to love your new body, to love the quality of life. And it's really important for us that if you're not feeling positive, reach out to us. Let us know and we can try to help. We've got, obviously, as you know, great people here that can support and help you through the process. But positivity sometimes is a choice, and sometimes we have to make an opportunity to be really positive, and you have to be intentional with choosing positivity. And so is there something that you can do that changes the narrative, that kind of flips the script, if you will, that allows you to be the positive person I think that you want to be, and really focus on things that are going to be purposeful. I often say party with a purpose, and that means having fun, but that also means maybe making great choices, putting yourself in a situation that really honors and respects the choice that you made to have this procedure, and an opportunity to not just change your life, but to transform your life. I don't think about this just as an operation, but as a transformation. And I think that's something to be really positive about. We at KC Bariatric want you to feel positive about that and think about ways that you can focus on this transformation. Maybe it's not just from a physical vantage point, as many of you know. Maybe it's an emotional perspective, a behavioral perspective, a social perspective, and maybe even for some, a spiritual perspective. So think about how this can transform your experience in your life for the better. I think for many it has. And I think that helps us go through the holidays and helps us go through this process and really enjoy it and stay positive. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all. We're grateful for you. We're grateful that you've chosen to come to KC Bariatric. We're grateful that you continue to follow up with us and share your success with us. And we know that life happens, and we understand that if there are challenges in life, maybe you need someone to address that with or process that with, or just come back and check on how am I doing with my procedure from a surgical perspective, from a medical perspective, from a dietary perspective or a psychological perspective. We're here for you. We just wish you the very best this holiday season and in the new year ahead. And if there's anything you need, just let us know. Again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you again here at KC Bariatric. Take care.